It's one of these cold fronts that's not going to make it cold, but it is going to make a threat for strong to severe thunderstorms. I think the greatest severe threats on Thursday will be street flooding from heavy rain and perhaps some damaging wind gusts. The timing on this, it begins to arrive at our northern counties a little bit after noon on Thursday and then pushes across the area to the coast by about 8 p.m. With the rain totals of 1 to 3 inches, that could come down pretty quickly. Again, it's temporary street ponding and temporary street flooding that are the greatest nuisance effects from this storm system as it comes through tomorrow. Damaging straight line winds, a low to moderate threat. Hail and tornadoes, we just don't have the upper level support for that. And again, street ponding and street flooding on a temporary scale will be something we'll be watching carefully. This is Thursday morning, just warm, lows near 80. We'll get into noon, still quiet but getting hot. So this front, top of the screen, is going to be coming in and interacting with an atmosphere near maximum daytime heating. So plenty of energy. That's what helped to trigger all the up and down motion and lightning in the storms last week. So as we get between 2 and 5 p.m., storms come across our northern half of the area. As we get into 7 p.m., that's when the front arrives in downtown with rain and thunderstorms and perhaps quite a bit of lightning and thunder. And then pushing toward the coast, and by 10:30, the front's off the coast, taking the stronger storms with it. We'd have lingering light to moderate showers after that, but the real heavy rain threat would be done by that. How much rain? Thursday, overnight Thursday, into the wee hours of Friday morning when it finally ends. Could see many spots that exceed 3 inches of rain. Again, it's beneficial, but it's a nuisance if you have to drive in it. So Thursday's forecast, we start warm and muggy. By noon, we're getting hot. Maybe a thunderstorm up north just after noon. Then it's a near 100% rain chance in the afternoon and evening as the storms move across. The extended forecast, rain chances stay elevated as we move into a much more wet weather pattern Friday through the weekend and even into next week.